Awesome! Best rescue ever! Got you! Best rescue ever! Awesome! Awesome! Got you! Best rescue ever! Best rescue ever! Awesome! Best rescue ever! Got you! Best rescue ever! Awesome! Got you! Got you! Best rescue ever! Got you! Got you!
Pups, it's the day of the big corn roast, but we have an emergency. The Tina knocked over Farmer Al's barbecue, and the hot coals are making the corn pop. We have to stop all that corn from popping. Marshall, we'll need your help for this mission. I need you to put out the hot coals with your water cannons before the corn pops.
I'm fired up!
Woohoo! Your patrol is on a roll! Help Marshall pump enough water into his cannons to reach the smoking corn. Try clicking on the pump one time to give Marshall's water cannons one pump. Awesome! Click on Marshall to spray the water and cool the corn over the number 1. Great! Click this button to go back to 0 and try again. All right, now let's get out there and save the corn roast.
Ready for a rough corn roast rescue! Pump the water so I can spray the corn over the number 3. The number on the pump, yes! Let's keep going. Pump the water so I can spray the corn over the number 5. The number on the pump needs to match the number under the piles of awesome! Pump the water so I can spray the corn over the number 7. The number on the pump needs to match the number under the piles of corn. Help me reach the number 7. That's it! Let's keep going. Pump the water so I can spray the corn over the number 8. We put out those coals. Let's keep going. Pump the water so I can spray the corn over the number 9. The number on...
Great job! You helped Marshall spray the corn to keep it all from popping. Uh-oh, Meg Goodway's calling for help now. Chickaletta followed the popping corn, and now she's stuck in the barn's hayloft. We have to save Chickaletta. Chase, I need you to use your suction cup boots to climb up the side of the barn to reach Chickaletta.
Ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Help Chase climb that barn. Use the left and right keys on your keyboard to move Chase left and right. Awesome! Collect as many pup treats as you can along the way. Spectacular! Now let's scale that barn.
Another treat! Yum! What a treat! A treat! Watch out for wagon wheels. If we run into one, we'll spin out. Oops! Watch out for ledges. Treat time! Whoa! What? We need to steer clear of chicken feathers. If we run into them, we got one.
Great work, Chase. Any sign of Chicoletta?
Not yet, but don't worry. Chase is on the case. It's really dark in here. Time to put on my night vision goggles.
Chicoletta is somewhere in this barn. To help Chase follow Chicoletta's tracks, try pressing the up, down, left, or right arrow keys on your keyboard. Or...
No Chicoletta. Keep looking. Look, that haystack is moving and clucking. Maybe it's Chicoletta. Click on the haystack to take a peek. There she is, and there she goes. I think we're getting closer. Look, more chicken tracks. Chicoletta, where are you going? Come on, let's keep following her. We make a great team. Wait up, Chicoletta. Oops, let's try going a different way. Nice spy work. Pause and click on the haystack to take a peek. Chicoletta, there you are. Mayor Goodway will be so relieved. Let's get back to the corn roast.
Chase, use your zip line to get Chicoletta down quickly. And try to pick up those balloons on the way. Farmer Owl will need them to decorate the corn roast.
I'm on it.
Time to zip into action. Try pressing the space bar on your keyboard to help Chase spin and catch the balloons. There you go. That's one balloon.
Let's zip. 2, 3, 4. Watch out for those crows. Use your space bar to help you spin and avoid 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Sky, pick up Chicoletta's balloons for Chase and bring them in for a landing at the roast. No job is too big, no pup is too small. Thanks to the Paw Patrol, Farmer Owl's corn roast didn't turn into a popcorn roast. Click here to print a Paw Patrol picture you can colour. Or click here. Great! Great!
done, everyone.
Great! Great!
Well done, everyone.
Play! Pups, we've got a snowy situation. A big snowstorm came down from the mountain and now a group of baby penguins are lost. Everest, I need you to slide down the mountain and collect the penguins so we can bring them back to their families.
Skip!
The baby penguins are lost on the mountain. Help Everest slide down the mountain to find them. To help Everest jump, great! Now try pressing the spacebar twice. All right! Now let's get out there and save those penguins.
Watch out for logs, slippery ice, and snowy bushes. Sliding into them will slow me down. Collect 5 pup treats in a row to give me a speed boost. Ow! Ow! A penguin. Hang on to your hat. To help me jump, press the space bar. Ow! I'm bored. Remember, we need to slide into pup tags for help. Got you. Oh, yes! Hang on to your hat! Hang on to your hat! Off the trail, I'll never fail! Got you! Slide into pup tags to call Sky in to help! Ow! Thank you, Sky. We make a perfect team. Watch out for things in our way. Slide over to the baby penguin to collect it. Only one more penguin to collect. Well done! We found all the baby penguins. Now let's get them back to their families.
Everest, Sky, great work finding all the baby penguins. Now we need to reunite them with their families, based on size. Look at the penguins standing together in a pattern. Small, tall, small, tall, small. Which penguin comes? Whoops, that's not right. Try again. That's not it. You did it. Look at the penguins standing together in a pattern. Well done. Look at the penguins standing together in a pattern. Tall. Whoops. Perfect. You completed the pattern and brought the penguin families together again. Hold on, pups. We can't celebrate yet. We've saved the penguins, but we just got a call from Jake. The storm seems to have broken a bridge, and he's trapped on the other side. Rubble, you're just the pup to slide down to him and fix the bridge. Paw Patrol is on a roll!
Slide down the mountain to help me collect the tools we need to fix the bridge. Slide into pop treats to help me go faster. Remember to watch out for space bars, slippery ice and snowy bushes. Sliding into them will slow me down. Slide into pop tags to call Sky in to help. Woo! Thank you, Sky. We make a great team. Slide over to the tools to collect them. To help me jump, press the spacebar. Hammer. Nice one! Woo! Thank you, Sky. We make a great team. Screw! Only one more tool to collect. Remember to press the space bar. Rubble, oh, perfect! We found all the tools. Now we can use all these tools we collected to fix the bridge and save Jake.
Great tool collecting. Now it's time to put the pieces of the bridge back in place. Click on one of the bridge. Great. Look for the perfect piece. Perfect. Look for the out. You did it. Look for the outline. All right. The bridge is fixed, and now Jake can cross. Nice work, Skips. We found the baby penguins and fixed the broken bridge. No job is too big. No pup is too small. Click the print button to print your very own Paw Patrol colouring page.